Did you know that one Egyptian pharaoh tried to change the entire religion of Egypt overnight and nearly destroyed the empire? This is the story of Akhenaten, one of history's most controversial rulers. In 1400 BCE, Amenhotep IV became pharaoh of Egypt, but he had a radical plan that would shake the ancient world. He abandoned the traditional gods that Egyptians had worshipped for thousands of years. Instead, he declared that only one god existed, Aten the sun disk. He changed his own name to Akhenaten, meaning servant of Aten. Then he built a brand new capital city in the desert and forced his entire court to move there. He banned the old gods and closed their temples. The powerful priests lost everything overnight. But his revolution was too extreme. The people rebelled. The economy collapsed. Egypt's enemies saw weakness and attacked the borders. When Akhenaten died, his successors quickly restored the old gods and abandoned his desert city. His radical experiment lasted only 17 years, but it changed history forever. Some scholars even believe his ideas influenced later religions.